Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of The Idiot Investor. I am your host, Justin, and the election is over. Today is November 4th. We still don't know who won. Right now, looks like Biden's going to win, thankfully. Get Donald Trump's crazy ass out of the office. And maybe the next 4 years will be really great. I think it will. At least for the stock market. I think we're going to get a big fiscal boost, stimulus package as soon as Biden gets in office. Now, I don't know how the House and the Senate have flipped or not flipped. I don't know which one's blue, which one's red right now, so I'm curious to know that. But, I hope the things that you voted for, I don't know, passed or didn't pass. Lots of interesting things in Colorado. We have a new, senator? These are the Colorado results. They very much went with Hickenlooper over dumbass Cory Gardner. Yeah, interesting stuff. You can look all that up on your own, but the stock market is what's really important right now. And we were up 2%, more than 2% today. In intraday, we were up as much as 3.5% on the S&P. That's wild. So we've had a fantastic week of rallying off of the election worry. And we'll see. So what I've been buying and selling, MasterCard I've got at a decent price on the pullback. Got 286. So what is that low for an hour or a day maybe? So pretty happy about that one. Only bought one share. Just gonna let it ride. I don't know if I talked since then, but I bought some NextEra Energy just to share, just to bring it back up, bring it up to like full position. Because I bought down here, or where did I buy? I don't even remember after the split. I think maybe 69 or 66 or something. But yeah, today I actually sold some BMY because it hit my order limit. I put in 65, sold about 4 shares. So now I have one share that I bought at $55, which is a really good price. So I'm just going to hold that, and if it dips, I'm going to buy more. If it gets 58 to 55, that's the plan. I don't know if you guys have heard of this one. It's kind of a small name, $5 billion, pays good 5% dividend, and earnings are actually going up. They were expected to go down, so I like this one. I've been buying it. Once the earnings came out, I bought it at $15.90, and again at $16. So that's one to look out for. Good, steady, seemingly always increasing earnings kind of business, slow business. Looking at Chewy. Probably talked about that already. Let's see. Gold has been really interesting to watch. It's really been going down, but that's good, healthy pullback. That's how I've been buying that. Looking to buy more Wheaton Precious Metals at 400 or 44.44. I think that's a fair price. Like to buy some more gold if it gets to $25, but it hasn't really touched that at all. I'm looking at the iClean. If it gets really pulled down to like 16 or $15, that's where I'd like to be buying more. 15 ideally. And I'm buying the overall market. I bought some VT recently, I believe. Or I got close to at least. Bought some value. I saw that one was going down hard. So I got a little bit of 101. It's only briefly that low. And I think 105 as well. I was buying at 120 before this, so I feel good about buying it. With such a disparity between value and growth, it's ridiculous. Like, you have to put some money in both, I'd say, which I was not expecting such a massive rally coming off the election in tech names. So that's pretty surprising to me that we're still just trucking upwards with that. But so I think, buying the wide market at like VU 300, that's a good deal. You're getting a good deal on value and a decent deal on growth. Because I was looking at growth at 220, and that's about where it got to, 218, 219. So I should have picked some up. I didn't. I don't really have enough money in the coffers right now. One thing I thought was interesting today, Wendy's had their earnings, and they're actually doing all right. I think they're got increased earnings, less revenue, something like that. So I kind of want to get back in maybe around $20. Yeah, that'd be lower than the last 3 months. That'd be lower than I've bought in it, so it's got support there, around $20. So that might be something to look into. $18 would be really ideal. 15 to 18. Anyway, bank stocks getting crushed. No interest in getting into Tesla yet. Twitter had like a 25% fall. That was pretty wild to watch. Still not low enough to where I want to buy it. I should have bought. I really had a good feeling about it, but even this 5-year chart is not that impressive. Q3 profit, huh? Whatever. Yeah, I wouldn't mind getting in lower, because I was buying at like 65 or 60, 62-ish. Anyway. Adobe never got to the price that I wanted, unfortunately. I was looking at it at 420, it got to 440. I don't know if I'll ever actually have that. Unity's kind of a new one I have on my watch list. It'd have to go a lot lower. I don't know. Even after, even the IPO price was too much, so. But it's good company. It's kind of like buying a Sony or Nintendo, where it's, they have their hand in everything. All the video game related stuff. And, I'm looking at Honeywell for some Dow coverage in the industrial space. Decent dividend. And for REIT, this is one of the largest and seemingly well-run REITs. That's one I like. And that's pretty much what I've been buying and selling and watching, and just been anxiously watching the election. And hopefully this madness will be over soon and get back to some American normalcy. So, hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Please watch all the way through, leave a review. Not a review, but a comment and like, and let me know what you guys have been buying or what you guys have been selling. So, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.